In 2022, a dying man's brain was hooked up to a monitor, and suddenly, the machine recorded activity that looked exactly like what happens when someone recalls an old memory. The question is, who was remembering something while they were dying? This wasn't speculation, and it wasn't fiction. It was a real scientific recording published in the journal Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience of an 87-year-old man under medical monitoring. And the moment his heart stopped, something no one expected happened. The EEG recorded a sharp spike in what's called gamma waves, the fastest electrical waves in the brain, normally linked to deep focus and memory recall. The same pattern had already been observed in a 2013 study published in PNAS, when researchers at the University of Michigan detected a similar surge in the brain at the moment the heart stopped. The brain enters what scientists call a terminal spreading depolarization, a massive electrical discharge that sweeps across the cortex all at once, like one final burst of energy before complete electrical silence. But here's what's remarkable: that silence isn't the end of the story. Scientists have shown that brain cells don't die within minutes, as once believed. They can survive for hours, which is exactly what allows researchers to study these moments in the first place. And what about hearing? A study from the University of British Columbia, published in Scientific Reports, found that a dying patient's brain still responds to sound in its final hours, even after it has stopped responding to everything else. That's exactly why doctors advise families: keep talking because they may still be able to hear you. In a larger study conducted at NYU on more than 500 patients whose hearts had stopped, nearly 40% showed near-normal brain activity even in the middle of resuscitation, sometimes a full hour after the heart had stopped. In other words, the line we assumed was a sharp boundary between life and death has, even to scientists themselves, become a mysterious gray zone, one they still don't fully understand today. Everything you just saw is only what the machines were able to measure: electricity, waves, signals. But what lies beyond that is a story no laboratory on Earth has been able to write the ending to. I'm personally convinced that no matter how advanced these machines get, they only measure the body. They will never be able to explain what lies beyond it. If you believe science will one day be able to explain everything about death, prove me wrong in the comments. And if you believe with me that there will always be something beyond what any lab can measure, share this video now with someone who needs to hear it.